Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody. Everybody out there in social media land. Hope everybody is having a good Thursday. Hope everybody in our area, at least in New York and our area, is plowed out. We got a lot of snow last night. I don't know how much we actually got. I'm going to say about 14 inches, 14 to 15 inches in our area, but I'm not 100% sure. I got to tell you, it was almost halfway between my ankles and my knees, so I know we got a lot of snow. And we were out there this morning at 7:30, shoveling and snow blowing and getting, our sidewalk cleared. We helped a friend with their sidewalk. We were doing my parents' yard. So we had a busy, busy morning. And then I worked out this afternoon. I actually got on my spin bike and I did a spin class. So that was awesome. And it felt really, really good to be on my bike. So that's cool. Hope everybody is well out there. Hello, everybody. Wow, I got lots of followers and people watching me today. So hello, Susan. Hello, James. Hello, Pam. Hello, Tom, Candace, Heather, Gretchen. I know there were a couple more people on, so thank you very much. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so I know that you're here. So I'm going to be coming up with, I guess the next week or so before Christmas and New Year's, I'm going to be doing a lot of holiday drinks, things that you could be making at home, things that, might get you through the holiday and keep your spirits up. Using spirits. So hopefully you'll be making some of these drinks at home. If you are making them, take a picture, send it to me. I'd love to see your concoction, what you've come up with. I'd love to see, cool different things. If you have any cool drinks, let me know. Send me a message Aroma Time, and I will get that message. So hello, Hillary. Hello, Mom. Thanks, everybody. I totally appreciate you watching me and my support. I don't even know how many of these Facebook Lives I've done, but I've been doing them since March. So what are we? March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So 9 months I've been doing these. I probably do on average 3 a week. So that is a lot of Facebook Lives. So let's see. 5, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80. So about maybe even 200 Facebook Lives I've done since March. So that is really cool. So I appreciate you guys watching me, and Marcus and I appreciate your support here at Aroma Time. Quick update, this week's $9.99 special is salmon. So it is salmon with a mustard dill sauce. You can order it medium rare. I recommend getting it medium rare, taking it home, throwing it in the oven for a few minutes, and it's going to cook a little bit more. So you don't want to, get it medium and then it's going to be well done when you get home when you cook it. So get it medium rare, take it home, get a side. I highly recommend our brown rice with the salmon and a side of broccoli, sauteed broccoli. It doesn't come with anything. It just comes with the salmon. And then tonight is our $9.99 burger special. So all of our burgers, including the vegetarian vegan burger, chickpea burger, is on special. So $9.99 tonight. And then the salmon will run all through the weekend till Sunday. That is to go only. So the burger and the salmon are to go only. And then Monday we'll start a new special. And we've been talking about a couple of different things. So look out for that. Our groceries are growing. I gotta tell you, we added on peanut butter and jelly from an organic peanut butter. I know the jelly is from an awesome farm. We added on artichoke hearts. We added on chocolate bars from endangered species. We made the pack size smaller for our beans. So we have white beans in 2-pound packs. What else do we have? We have marshmallows and we have artichokes. We even have toothpaste up there now. Our apple cider vinegar is back. We have pastas, gluten-free, not gluten-free. We have apple juice, mango juice, beet juice is back in stock. Artichoke spread. agave. We have 2-size maple syrups. We got a lot of stuff. So check out our grocery list online on our website, aromatimebistro.com. Under groceries, it's on the top, cook at home items, and place your order with me. You can send me the order through email, call me, let me know it's there, and I will tell you when you can pick that up. So thanks everybody for watching me. I really appreciate it. There's a lot of people on. So let me get started. Coconut milk rum punch. So I am starting with a shaker. I am going to add 2 ounces of rum. I am going to add 2 ounces of coconut milk, which I guess I should measure that out because sometimes I make it too much. All right. Alrighty. And I'm going to add, so I would put in white creme de cacao. I don't have white creme de cacao, so I only have dark, so I'm going to use the dark. That's about an ounce. I prefer the white, but I just don't have any white, so I don't use creme de cacao that often. But you can use a chocolate liqueur as well. I probably should have used Kona coffee. And then a little bit of simple syrup or agave, just to sweeten it up a little bit. I'm going to shake that up here. And I'm actually going to taste it first and see if it needs anything else. That's what I like to do. I like to taste sometimes, make sure it doesn't need anything else before I present it to you. Woo, I'm having a spillage problem here. Ooh, that's lovely. That is really nice. That is a really nice drink. So, oops, I'm pouring it into the wrong glass, sorry. So, and I would put it on the rocks. That's just how I like my drinks, on the rocks. So, I'm just gonna add a couple of rocks in here, which is ice. If you don't know that, on the rocks means ice. So I like it like that. Look at that. Simple ingredients: rum, coconut milk, creme de cacao, simple syrup, all mixed together. Make a milk rum punch, coconut milk rum punch. You can also, if you open a can of coconut milk, you can also make a white margarita, which is really awesome. It's a coconut margarita, and it is to die for. It's so good. I actually think I might even make one of those. But this is an awesome drink, great for the holidays, easy to sip on. Let's see. Happy holidays to everybody. Happy Hanukkah to those who celebrate Hanukkah. It's almost Christmas, so we have our Christmas Day soup kitchen coming up. A little different this year due to COVID, as most of you know. We are looking for donations. We can't really do too many volunteers this year. We're trying to keep it to our family only inside. We do need a few drivers, and I know that they have been calling and they've been emailing us, so I don't know how many more we need. But donations is the big thing we need this year, monetary donations. On our website as well, there is a button you can click. $5 helps feed one person. It's about $5 a person to feed one person. We'll probably have a lot of seniors this year. We're looking at probably over 300, 400 people. So thank you to anybody who has donated already. We appreciate your donations. Every little bit helps. We are going to have to use our staff a little bit more this year, so we are going to have to pay them. So it's going to be mostly our family doing all the packing and all that, and then we will do a social distancing will be done, but you will not have contact with the people you're delivering to. You'll leave it outside. You'll call them, leave it outside on their porch as long as it's safe, and you will not come into Aroma Time at all. It'll just go right into your car. So we appreciate everybody's support here at Aroma Time. Thank you very much for watching me. If you're watching live, put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up. This is our 18th year of our soup kitchen. So we're pretty proud and thankful we still can do it, even though it will be a little bit more strain and work for us this year. We are ready, and we're ready to handle it, and we know that people need it. So I hope everybody's safe out there. Love to everybody. Thank you. And tonight, $9.99 special, burgers to go, and our salmon special. And we also have our regular menu, and we are open tonight. So we are open. We do have a few tables available, so you're more than welcome to come sit in or take out. So, and our new tent went up. our new tent went up yesterday, so we will be able to start seating outside in the tent. We did get some sides today, and those will be coming back. We'll be getting some more, and we can keep our heaters on under the tent. So, gosh, so much cool information. Talk to everybody soon. Thanks again for watching, and cheers.